How to add bank account on Instagram. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram and then go to your profile icon. Or you can also go to professional dashboard. Go back, go to your profile, go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and you have to find this orders and payments. Tap on credit and debit cards. And from here you can add your credit card or debit card info by tapping on add debit or credit card and fill up this form and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.